Many of you know my obsession with Westeros and the Free City, so I couldn't resist the opportunity to show out for the debut of House of the Dragon, releasing August 21st on HBO Max. We start our crafty build grabbing the house sigil from Google and upload into Cricut Design Space to cut out the house sigil in 2 halves on simple black removable vinyl. It's been a while since I used my Cricut Explorer Air 2, but I'm always ready to craft. I cleaned my blade and got to work. While the cuts are being made, I quickly gathered Halloween props from my personal inventory and coordinated well with my Mantle design. Fur rugs, candles, a frame map of Westeros, Gothic goblets, and skulls and bones. It's all about the details here, so no stone was left unturned. Once I weeded out the design, I taped them up, mapped out where I wanted them, and then marked with pencil the placement and applied directly on the wall. 1/2 of the house sigil on each side of the frame map of Westeros. Be careful, the transfer tape is sticky. Voila! Through fire and blood, I'm so excited to see my favorite house, House Targaryen, represented in my curation of a Targaryen-inspired mantle. Tell me if you liked my reveal with a like, and how you love the first episode in the comments.